fact in the mind of the trier of fact. Depending on the legal issue being offered and argued, either the prosecution or the defense may carry the burden of proof to present evidence. Chapter 8. To impeach a witness. Impeachment means to attack the credibility of a witness or to lessen a way of testimony in the mind of the trier of fact. Chapter 7. 3. To rehabilitate a witness. Rehabilitation means to restore the credibility of a witness or to enhance the way of testimony in the mind of the trier of fact. Chapter 7. 4. To assist in determining sentence. After conviction, evidence presented during trial is used to determine sentence. Examples. Under California's determinate sentencing law, DSL, a magistrate can apply any of 3 possible prison terms, triad, for felonies, as carjacking equals 3, 5, or 9 years. If the evidence shows aggravating circumstances, the magistrate can give the upper term. If the evidence shows mitigating circumstances, the magistrate can give the lower term. Otherwise, the magistrate gives the middle term. The prosecution and the defense argue for respective sentences based upon evidence presented at trial. Evidence is offered to prove enhancements 667 PC, 12,022 PC that are added to the base sentence. Examples include committing a sex crime during a kidnapping, plus 9 years, or committing bodily injury during a felony, plus 3 years. Prior, serious felony convictions are also certified for increasing punishment under the 3 strikes law. Evidence is offered to prove a no probation offense, 1203 PC. The defendant must be sentenced to the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation, CDCNR. Examples: commission of a felony on a public transit vehicle, commission of a felony against a person over 60 years, a blind or developmentally disabled person, or using a firearm during the commission of a felony. 6. In capital cases, the prosecutor offers evidence of special circumstances, 190.2 PC. Examples: a murder for financial gain, a murder committed where the victim was a peace officer, a murder committed with a racial, ethnic, or religious motive, or a multiple murder. During the penalty phase, if special circumstances are proven, the jury decides whether the defendant will be given the death penalty or sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. WOPE. This is the only time under California law where the jury decides punishment. A crime victim is entitled to give an impact statement at a sentencing hearing. A victim can express his or her views about the crime, the impact of the crime, the person responsible, and the need for justice. The court shall consider these statements when imposing sentence. 1191.1 PC. 1.6 Sources of Evidence Law 160 EC 1 Statute law enacted by the legislature or by the voters through the initiative process and found in codes. The Evidence Code EC